Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let us see exercise number 4.2. In this exercise, let us see question number 1. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now there are H bits in this question friends. Let us see the A bit. X minus 1 equal to 0. Now first step is add 1 to both sides. We get that. The first step is add 1 to both sides. Here it is x minus 1. That means here it is minus 1. We have to do anything which is opposite. Now here if it is subtraction, we have to add 1 on both sides. If it is addition, we have to subtract 1 from both sides. Okay. Now first step is to add 1 to both sides. We have to add 1 to both sides. So it becomes x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Not only this side, RHS side, right hand side, but on left hand side also we have to add 1. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Now add 1 to both sides. We get that x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So x is equal to 0 plus 1. X is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So x equal to 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x equal to 1. Okay friends, now let us see B bit. That is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the first step is, see here friends, it is plus 1. That means we have to subtract 1. So subtract 1 from both sides. We get that. Subtract 1 from both sides. We get that. Now here you see friends, x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1, right? Now we get that x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Not only one side, we have to subtract 1 from both sides as shown in this way, as shown here. So x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1. Now here x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled and x equal to 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 is clearly minus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 where x equal to minus 1. Now this is how you write the statements. You have to write in the exam also in 7th class. When you go to higher classes, you can do the solution directly. In 7th, 8th and 9th classes, first step subtract 1 from both sides. We get that. So you have to write the statement and then solve the equation in this way. Clear friends? Okay friends, now let us see C bit. That is x minus 1 is equal to 5. Now here it is minus 1. That means we have to do plus 1, right? So add 1 to both sides. We get that x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Don't forget to add 1 for RHS. If you add 1 to LHS, then you should add 1 to RHS also. If you subtract 1 or any other number from LHS, you have to subtract it from RHS also as per the given equation. Now add 1 to both sides. We get that x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 plus 1. Now here minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled and x equal to 5 plus 1. It is clearly 6. So x minus 1 is equal to 5 where x equal to 6. With this, bit number C gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see D bit. X plus 6 is equal to 2. Here it is plus 6. That means we have to do opposite to that. So it is minus 6. Now first step is subtract 6 from both sides. We get that. Subtract 6 from both sides. We get that. x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. We have to, if we subtract 6 from LHS, we have to also subtract 6 from RHS, right hand side also. So x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 2 minus 6. X plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, and x is equal to 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So x equal to minus 4. Now x plus 6 is equal to 2, where x equal to minus 4. With this, D bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see E bit, that is y minus 4 is equal to minus 7. First step. Here the first step is, see here friends, it is minus 4. That means we have to do plus 4. Now let us write the statement accordingly. Add 4 to both sides. We get that. Add 4 to both sides. We get that. So it is y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Here y minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. And y is equal to minus 4 plus minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3, because minus bigger number symbol is minus, and we have to do subtraction when they are two different symbols. Now 7 minus 4 is 3. So y minus 4 equal to minus 7, where y equal to minus 3. Now this is how you write the statement. So this is E bit. So with this, E bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see F bit, that is y minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Now here it is y minus 4. That means we have to add 4. If it is subtract 4, now we have to add 4. So first step is add 4 to both sides. We get that y minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4. Now here minus 4 plus 4 get cancelled. Here it is y is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8. So y minus 4 is equal to 4, where y equal to 8. With this, F bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see G bit, that is y plus 4 is equal to 4. Let us write the first step. If here it is plus 4, then if it is add 4, we have to subtract 4, right? So subtract 4 from both sides. From both sides, we subtract 4 from both sides. We get that y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. So it is y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 4 minus 4. Now here plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, and here we are left with y is equal to 4 minus 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. So y equal to 0. So y plus 4 is equal to 4, where y equal to 0. Okay friends, now let us see H bit, that is y plus 4 is equal to minus 4. Here it is plus 4. That means we have to, if it is add 4, we have to subtract 4. So subtract 4 from both sides. We get that. Now y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Y plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Now here plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled, and we are left with y is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 is minus 8. So it is y equal to minus 8. Y plus 4 is equal to minus 4, where y equal to minus 8. With this, H bit and problem number 1 both get completed. Okay friends, now let us see second one. Give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now you see here friends, here it is. Okay friends, now let us see A. 3L is equal to 42. Now here first step is 3 into L. See here friends, it is 3L. 3L means 3 into L. L is some value. So 3 into L. 3 into L is divide both sides by 3. Here it is 3 into L. If we send this side, then become, or here it is multiplication, right? So let us do division. If it is addition, we have to do subtraction. If it is subtraction, we have to do addition. If it is multiplication, we have to do division. If it is division, we have to do multiplication. Is this clear? Now it is 3 into L. That means we have to do division now. Multiplication, then division. Now first step is divide both sides by 3. Here is 3L. So if you divide both sides by 3, it would be easier. So here it is 3, right? So divide both sides by 3. We get that 3L by 3. We are dividing both sides by 3. So it is 3L by 3 is equal to 42 by 3L. Both LHS and RHS. So 3L by 3 is equal to 42 by 3. Here 3 get cancelled. And 3 14s are 42. 14 3s are 42 or 3 14s are 42. So L is equal to 14 by 1, nothing but 14. Now 3L equal to 42 where L equal to 14. With this A bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see B bit, that is B by 2 equal to 6. Let us write first step. B by 2, here it is division, then we have to do multiplication, right? So B by 2, here is 2, so let us do into 2, both sides, multiply both sides by 2. Now B by 2 into 2 is equal to 6 into 2. Now we get that 2 into B by 2 or B by 2 into 2, anything is same, is equal to 2 into 6 or 6 into 2, right? Now let us cancel 2 and 2 here. So it is B equal to 2 into 6. B equal to 2 into 6 is 12. So B equal to 12. Now B by 2 is equal to 6 where B equal to 12 is the answer. So with this B bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see C bit, that is P by 7 is equal to 4. Let us see first step. Here it is P by 7 division. Now here is 7, that means multiply both sides by 7. So it becomes P by 7 into 7 or 7 into P by 7, anything is same, is equal to 4 into 7 or 7 into 4. Now we see here friends, P by 7 into 7 is equal to 4 into 7. Now here this 7 get cancelled and now it is P is equal to 4 into 7. P is equal to 4 into 7 is 28. So it is P by 7 is equal to 4 where P equal to 28 is the answer. So with this C bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see D bit, that is 4x is equal to 25 or 4 times x is equal to 25. Now here it is multiplication, that means we have to do division. Now 4 into x is multiplication. Now let us take this 4 here. So it is 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Now divide both sides by 4. We have to divide both LHS and RHS by 4. We get that. So divide both sides by 4. We get that. 4x by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Let us cancel 4 and 4. 25 will not come in 4 table. So it is x equal to 25 by 4. Or else we can convert into mixed fraction here. 4 5s are 20 and 5 is left. So 5 by 4. 4 by 20, 25 is 25, 20 plus 5 is 25. So 25 by 4. So it is 5 by 4. So 4x equal to 25 where x equal to 25 by 4 or 5 by 4. So with this D bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see E bit, that is 8y is equal to 36. 8y is equal to 36. Here it is 8y, 8 into y, multiplication. So we have to do division. Now 8 into y, let us do division. Divide both sides by, here what is the number? 8. Now let us divide both sides by 8. We get that 8y by 8 is equal to 36 by 8. 8y by 8 is equal to 36 by 8. Now here let us cancel 8 and 8. So here it is y is equal to 36 by 8. Y is equal to 36 by 8. Now here it is 2 4s are 8 and 2 18s are 36. 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are 18. So it is 9 by 2. Now 8y is equal to 36 where y equal to 36 by 8. On simplification or converting into lowest terms, we get 9 by 2. So with this E bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see F bit, that is Z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Here first we have to multiply both sides. Ready? Now here you see friends, we have to multiply these, or z by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 by 4 into 3, right? Now multiply both sides by 3. Here it is 3, so let us multiply both sides by 3. It becomes z by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 by 4 into 3. Now z by 3 into 3, let us cancel 3 and 3. So here it is z is equal to 5 3s are 15. Here it is actually 3 by 1. So 5 3s are 15 by 4 into 1 is 4. Multiplying both numerators and denominators. Now z is equal to 5 3 are 15 by 4. Now z by 3 is equal to 5 by 4, where z is equal to 15 by 4 is the answer for this f bit. Okay friends, now let us see g bit, that is a by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Now here it is division, right? Then we have to do multiplication. Now here it is a by 5, here by 5, that means we have to do a by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. Multiply both sides by 5. We get that a by 5 into 5 is equal to 7 by 15 into 5. Now here let us cancel 5 and 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. So it is a is equal to 7 by 3, 7 into 1 by 3, nothing but 7 by 3. So a is equal to 7 by 3. Therefore a by 5 is equal to 7 by 15, where a equal to 7 by 3 is the answer. So with this, g bit gets completed. Okay friends, now let us see h bit, that is 20t is equal to minus 10. Here let us see the first step, that is 20 into t, multiplication, right? Now let us divide. So it is 20 by t. So divide both sides by 20, we get that 20 by t by 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. Now 20t by 20 is equal to minus 10 by 20. Here let us cancel 20 and 20, and minus 10 by 20, here let us cancel 0 and 0. So t equal to minus 1 by 2. So 20t is equal to minus 10, where t equal to minus 1 by 2. With this, h bit and second problem both get completed. Okay friends, now let us see third question. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. In first and second questions, it is asked that give the first step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now here it is asked give the steps, not the first step. Here it is asked give the steps. Now let us see a bit. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Here step 1 is minus 2. Here it is subtraction. That means we have to do opposite to subtraction. Addition. Addition is opposite to subtraction. So step 1 is add 2. Add 2 to both sides. We get that 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46. If we add 2 to LHS, we have to add 2 to RHS also. So it is 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2, right? Now here minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled and we are left with 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. So 3n is equal to 48. Now step 2. Now here you see friends, 3n is equal to 48. Here 3n means 3 into n, multiplication. That means we have to do opposite to it, division. So divide both sides by which number is there here? 3. So we have to divide both sides by 3. We get that 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. 3n by 3 is equal to 48 by 3. Here 3 into n by 3. So 3 get cancelled and 3 16s are 48. 3 1s are 3 16s are 48. So it is n is equal to 16 by 1, nothing but n is equal to 16. Now you see here friends, 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. You have to write in the exam also, same way friends, you have to write the statement and then solve the equation step by step. I will tell you how to write the statement now. See here friends, when you are writing add, first write add 2 to both or add any number to both sides. Which number is there? So add 2 to both sides. Here it is 2, so I am telling 2. add 2 to both sides. We have to add 2 to both sides. And coming to subtraction, we have to say that subtract 7 from both sides. Add and subtract are of same type. Add 2 to both sides, subtract 7 from both sides. Right? Now division and multiplication and division are of the same type. Divide both sides by 3 here. See here friends, add 2 to both sides. First you will write the number and then the remaining part. But here first you should write the remaining part and then the number. Clear? Here you see friends, add 2 to both sides. This both sides, let us consider this. Now you are writing this first in case of division and multiplication, whereas in addition you are writing it at last. Here you are writing first, here you are writing last. So divide both sides by then the number. So add 2 to both sides, subtract 7 from both sides, we get that, we have to write, we get that. So add 2 to both sides, we get that, subtract 7 from both sides, we get that. Multiply both sides by any number. Okay, multiply both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 3, we get that. In this way you can write the statements. Now you see here friends, coming to the problem, 3n minus 2 is equal to 46, where n equal to 16 is the answer. Okay friends, now let us see B bit. 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Here it is plus 7, that means plus. We have to do anything which is opposite to addition. Subtraction is opposite to addition. Now step 1, subtract 7 from both sides, we get that. Here it is add, so subtract. Subtract 7 from both sides, we get that. See here friends, 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. RHS is 17. So 17 minus 7. Clear? 5m plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 17 minus 7. Now you see here friends. Here plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled and 5m is equal to 17 minus 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. So it is 5m is equal to 10. Here 5m is equal to 10, where 5m is 5 into m. So here it is multiplication. We have to do opposite to multiplication. Which is opposite to multiplication? Division is opposite to multiplication. So step 2 is divide both sides by this number 5. Divide both sides by 5, we get that 5m by 5 is equal to 10 by 5. Here 5 get cancelled and 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. So m equal to 2. Therefore 5m plus 7 is equal to 17, where m equal to 2 is the answer. Okay friends, now let us see C bit. 20p by 3 is equal to 40. See here friends, here it is division. By means division, so here it is division. That means we have to do anything opposite to division. Anything opposite to division is multiplication. So step 1 is multiply both sides by 3. We get that. Here it is 3. So multiply both sides by 3. We get that 20p by 3 into 3. 20p by 3 into 3 is equal to 40 into 3. Now 20p into 3 by 20p by 3 into 3. Here 3 get cancelled. And we are left with 20p is equal to 40 into 3 is 120. So 20p is equal to 120. Now you see here friends, 20p means 20 into p. 20 into p. So here 20 into p means multiplication. Anything opposite to multiplication is division. So divide both sides by this number 20. Divide both sides by 20. So it is 20p by 20 is equal to 120 by 20. Now here 20 get cancelled and 0, 2 ones are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Now p equal to 6. Therefore 20p by 3 is equal to 40, where p equal to 6 is the answer for this C bit. Okay friends, now let us see D bit, that is 3p by 10 is equal to 6. Here you see friends, this is division, that means you have to do multiplication, right? Now step 1 is multiply both sides by this number 10. Multiply both sides by 10, we get that 3p by 10 into 10 is equal to 6 into 10. Now here 10 get cancelled and 3p is equal to 6 into 10, which is 60. Now 3p is equal to 60. 3p means 3 into p. So here it is multiplication, that means we have to do opposite to multiplication, which is division. Now step 2 is divide both sides by 3. We get that 3p by 3 is equal to 60 by 3. Here 3p by 3 get cancelled and 60 by 3 20 is at 60. Now p equal to 20. 3p by 10 is equal to 6, where p equal to 20 is the answer for this debate. Okay friends, now let us see problem number 4. Solve the following equations. There are L equations given friends. Let us see the A1. 10 into p, 10p is equal to 100. Now 10p means 10 into p, right? Now if we send this 10 into p this side, it will become division. Now let us see, divide both sides by this number 10, 10p multiplication. Now division. So divide both sides by 10. So it becomes 10 into p, 10p by 10 is equal to 100 by 10. Now 10p by 10, here 10 get cancelled and 100 by 10, 10 ones are 10 and 10 tens are 100. Now p is equal to 10 by 1, nothing but 10. Therefore 10p is equal to 100, where p equal to 10 is the answer. Now let us do checking. Check. LHS, 10p is LHS and 100 is RHS. Now 10p is LHS, that is left hand side, and 100 is RHS, which is right hand side. Now LHS is 10p, where 10 into p is 10. P is, the value of p is known, so p is equal to 10. Now here it is 10p, that is 10 into p. 10 into p is 10, so 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Therefore left hand side LHS is 100, whereas RHS right hand side is 100. Now LHS is 100 and RHS is also 100. Therefore 100 equal to 100, LHS is equal to RHS, hence checked. Therefore the value of p is 10. Okay friends, now let us see B bit, that is 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Now here it is plus 10. Here it is plus, that means we have to do minus, subtract. So 10p plus 10. Subtract 10 from both sides, we get that. Now we have to, here it is plus 10. So subtract 10 from both sides, we get that. Now you see here friends, 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 100 minus 10, right? Now here plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled and we are left with 10p is equal to 100 minus 10 is 90. Therefore it is 10p is equal to 90. Now here it is multiplication, 10p is equal to 90, here 10 into p, it is multiplication. Now we have to divide. Therefore divide both sides by 10. 10 into p, so divide both sides by 10. We get that 10p by 10 is equal to 90 by 10. So 10p, 10 into p, so 10p by 10 is equal to 90 by 10. Here 10 get cancelled and 10 ones are 10 nines are. Therefore p equal to 9 into 9 by 1. Therefore p equal to 9. Now p equal to 9, let us check. LHS is 10p plus 10. LHS is 10p plus 10. RHS is 100. Now LHS 10p plus 10, where p equal to 9. So it is 10p, 10 into p, 10 into 9 plus 10 is equal to 10 into 9 is 90 plus 10, 90 plus 10 is 100. LHS left hand side is 100. RHS right hand side is 100. Therefore, 100 is equal to 100 where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. Therefore, 10p plus 10 is equal to 100 where p equal to 9 is the answer for B bit. Okay friends, now let us see C bit, that is p by 4 is equal to 5. Now you see here friends, p by 4, here it is division, that means you have to multiply. So multiply both sides by 4, we get that p by 4 into 4 is equal to 5 into 4, we are multiplying both sides by 4, so it is p by 4 into 4 is equal to 5 into 4. Now p by 4 into 4, here 4 get cancelled, so p is equal to 5 into 4 is 20, so p equal to 20. Now let us check whether p equal to 20 or not. Now LHS is p by 4 left hand side, so LHS is p by 4 and RHS right hand side is 5. Now LHS is p by 4 where p equal to 20, so it is 20 by 4. 20 by 4, 4 ones are 4 5s are, so it is 5 by 1, nothing but 5. LHS is 5, RHS is 5, therefore 5 is equal to 5 where LHS is equal to RHS, hence checked. Now p by 4 is equal to 5 where p is equal to 20 is the right answer for this C bit. Okay friends, now let us see D bit, that is minus p by 3 is equal to 5. So here it is minus p by 3 division, so here it is division, right? Now we have to do multiplication, so multiply both sides by 3, we get that minus p by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 into 3, right? Minus p by 3 into 3 is equal to 5 into 3. So here 3 get cancelled, we are left with minus p is equal to 5 into 3 is 15, so it is minus p is equal to 15. So here there should be no negative symbol for the variables, so it is p equal to, let us send this minus here, so it is p equal to minus 15. Now let us check whether p equal to minus 15 or not. Now LHS is minus p by 3, RHS is 5. Now LHS is minus p by 3 where p equal to minus 15. So it is minus p, that means minus into minus 15. Here this minus and this minus, so it is minus into minus 15, right? Minus into minus 15 by 3 is equal to, this minus into minus is plus, so here it is, I am writing here plus 15 by 3, nothing but 15 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15, so it is 5 by 1, nothing but 5. So LHS is 5, RHS is 5, therefore 5 is equal to 5 where LHS is equal to RHS, hence checked, right? Now minus p by 3 is equal to 5 where p equal to, here it is minus p is equal to 15, so where p equal to minus 15 is the right answer for this D bit. Okay friends, now let us see E bit, that is 3p by 4 is equal to 6. 3p by 4 is equal to 6. Here 3p by 4 division. So let us do multiplication. Now multiply both sides by this denominator 4. Multiply both sides by 4. We get that 3p by 4 into 4 is equal to 6 into 4. 3p by 4 into 4 is equal to 6 into 4. Now let us cancel 4 and 4. So it is 3p is equal to 6 into 4 is 24. So 3p is equal to 24. Now divide both sides by 3. Here it is 3 into p. 3p means 3 into p multiplication. So divide both sides by 3. We get that 3p by 3 is equal to 24 by 3. Clear? Here 3 get cancelled and 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So p equal to 8 by 1 nothing but 8. So p equal to 8. Now let us check whether p equal to 8 or not. LHS is 3p by 4, RHS is 6. Now LHS is 3p by 4 where p equal to 8. So 3 into p, 3 into 8 by 4. 3 into 8 is 24 by 4. So here it is 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24. Or you can do in another way. 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So it is 3 into 2 by 1. 3 into 2 by 1 is nothing but 3 into 2. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. You can do in this way or in that way. Now LHS is 6. RHS is 6. Therefore LHS 6 equal to 6 where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. So 3p by 4 is equal to 6 where p equal to 8 is the right answer for this EBIT. Okay friends, now let us see FBIT. 3s is equal to minus 9. That means here it is 3s. 3 into s. Here it is multiplication. So here let us do division. Now divide both sides by 3 into s. Here it is 3. So divide both sides by 3. We get that 3s by 3 is equal to minus 9 by 3. Both LHS and RHS let us divide by 3. So divide both sides by 3. We get that 3s by 3 is equal to minus 9 by 3. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled. Minus 9 by 3. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So it is s equal to minus 3. Here minus 3 by 1. Nothing but minus 3. So s is equal to minus 3. Let us check whether s equal to minus 3 or not. LHS is 3s, RHS is minus 9. LHS is 3 into s whereas 3 into s is 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3 is plus into minus is minus. 3 3s are 9. So it is 3s which is equal to minus 9. RHS is minus 9. LHS is minus 9. So minus 9 is equal to minus 9 where LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore hence checked. 3s is equal to minus 9 where s equal to minus 3 is the right answer for this FBIT. Okay friends, now let us see GBIT, that is 3 into s plus 12 is equal to 0. Now here you see friends, it is plus 12 addition, that means we have to do subtraction. So subtract 12 from both sides. We have to write first the number and then the remaining part. So subtract 12 from both sides, we get that 3s plus 12 minus 12. 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. 3s plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. So 3s is equal to 0 minus 12 is minus 12. So it is 3s is equal to minus 12. Now we see here friends, 3s, that means here 3 into s. So we have to do division. Here it is multiplication, so we have to do division. Divide both sides by 3. First you have to write both sides and then the number. So divide both sides by 3. We get that 3s by 3 is equal to minus 12 by 3. So 3s by 3, here 3 get cancelled and 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So it is s is equal to minus 4. S is equal to minus 4. Now let us check whether s equal to minus 4 or not. Checking. LHS is 3s plus 12. RHS is 0. Now LHS is 3s plus 12 where s is equal to minus 4. Now 3 into S, 3 into minus 4 plus 12 is equal to, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 4 is 12 plus 12, minus 12 plus 12 get cancelled, and the answer is 0. LHS is 0 and RHS is also 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, hence checked. 3S plus 12 is equal to 0, where S equal to minus 4 is the right answer for this G bit. Okay friends, now let us see H bit. 3S is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now it is 3S, 3 into S, that means you have to do opposite to multiplication, division. So 3 into S is equal to 0. Divide both sides by 3, we get that. Now on dividing both sides by 3, we get that 3S by 3 is equal to 0 by 3. Here 3S by 3 get cancelled, and 0 by 3 is 0. 3 by 0 again is not defined, and 0 by 3, 0 by any number is 0 and any number by 0 is not defined. Clear? So S equal to 0 by 3 is S equal to 0. Now let us check whether S equal to 0 or not. LHS is 3S, RHS is 0. LHS is 3S, 3 into S, where S equal to 0. So 3 into S, 3 into 0 is equal to, 3 into 0 is 0. Any number into 0 is 0. LHS is 0, RHS is also 0. So 0 equal to 0, where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. So 3 into S, 3S is equal to 0, where S equal to 0 is the right answer for this H bit. Okay friends, now let us see I bit. That is 2 into Q is equal to 6. So here 2 into Q, 2Q. Here multiplication, that means we have to do division. So divide both sides by 2. We get that. 2Q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. Here 2Q by 2, 2 get cancelled, and 6 by 2, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So Q is equal to 3 by 1, where Q is equal to 3. Now let us check whether Q is equal to 3 is the answer or not. Now checking, LHS is 2Q, 2 into Q, where Q is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to, 2 into 3 is 6. RHS is 6. Therefore 6 is equal to 6, where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. So 2Q is equal to 6, where Q is equal to 3 is the right answer for this I bit. Okay friends, now let us see J bit. 2Q minus 6 is equal to 0. Now here it is minus 6. Minus means plus. So minus plus, subtract, add. So add 6 to both sides. We get that here minus 6, so plus 6. Add 6 to both sides, we get that 2Q minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. Now minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled, and 2Q is equal to 0 plus 6 is 6. So 2Q is equal to 6. Now 2Q is equal to 2 into Q. 2Q is nothing but 2 into Q. Here multiplication, so division. Divide both sides by 2. We get that 2Q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2Q by 2, 2 get cancelled, and 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So Q is equal to 3 by 1, where Q is equal to 3. Check. Let us check whether Q is equal to 3 is a solution for this equation or not. LHS is 2Q minus 6, RHS is 0. LHS is 2Q minus 6, where 2 into 2Q is 2 into Q minus 6. 2 into Q is 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. LHS is 0. RHS is 0. Therefore 0 is equal to 0, where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. So with this, 2Q minus 6 is equal to 0, where Q is equal to 3 is the right answer for this J bit. Okay friends, now let us see k bit, that is 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 2q plus 6 is equal to 0, where plus 6, here it is plus, so minus. So subtract 6 from both sides, we get that plus 6 minus 6. So subtract 6 from both sides, we get that 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. Here 2q plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. So it is 2q is equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So it is 2q is equal to minus 6. 2q is nothing but 2 into q. Here it is multiplication, so division. Divide both sides by 2, we get that 2q by 2 is equal to minus 6 by 2. 2q by 2, 2 get cancelled, and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So q is equal to minus 3. Q is equal to minus 3. Now let us check whether q is equal to minus 3 or not. Q check. LHS is 2q plus 6. RHS is 0. LHS is 2q plus 6, where q is equal to minus 3. So 2 into q is 2 into minus 3 plus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 6. Here minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled, and the answer is 0. LHS is 0, RHS is 0, where LHS is equal to RHS, hence checked. So q is equal to minus 3. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0, where q is equal to minus 3 is the right answer for this k bit. Okay friends, now let us see L bit, that is 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. 2q plus 6 is equal to 12, here it is addition. That means we have to do opposite to do addition, which is subtraction. So subtract 6 from both sides, we get that 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. Now 2q plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled. So 2q is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. So 2q is equal to 6. Now divide both sides by 2, we get that, because as it is 2q 2 into q, divide both sides by 2, we get that 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2q by 2, here 2 get cancelled, and 6 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So q is equal to 3 by 1, nothing but 3. Now let us check whether q equal to 3 is a solution for this equation or not. Now check. LHS is 2q plus 6, RHS is 12. LHS is 2q plus 6, where q is equal to 3. So 2q is equal to 2 into q plus 6. 2 into q is 2 into 3 plus 6. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. LHS is 12. RHS is also 12. So therefore 12 is equal to 12, where LHS is equal to RHS. Hence checked. Q is equal to 3. So with this 2q plus 6 is equal to 12, where q is equal to 3 is the right answer for this L bit. So with this L bit, fourth problem and exercise 4.2 get completed. Thank you friends.
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.